Hi everyone, welcome to Vircham TV. This is B. Hemlata of Class 12 presenting the news for the day. Today headlines. The Rotary Foundation of Rotary International has conferred as the Paul Harris Fellow recognition of Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palanisamy to appreciate personalities who are serving humanity in the fields of drinking water supply, health, disease control, women and children, environment and world peace. Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palanisamy on Friday laid the foundation stone for the construction of a medical college in Udagamandalam through video conferencing. Another minister from Tamil Nadu tests positive for coronavirus. Member of the central team visiting the state capital to take stock at the COVID-19 situation in Tamil Nadu called on Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palanisamy at the Secretariat on Friday and held a detailed discussion on the pandemic's scenario. A unit producing chocolates in Udagamandalam was on Friday sealed by a team of officials from the Food Safety and Drug Administration and Health Departments. After the probate of the unit, allegedly advertisement claims that dark chocolates boost immunity against COVID-19. The Madras High Court on July 17 will hear all the cases related on the issue of fee collection by colleges and schools during the COVID-19 pandemic. Revenue Minister R.B. Udayakumar on Friday said that Madurai district will be averaging around 3,000 COVID-19 tests per day and the swab samples will be sent to Chennai or Coimbatore. The Public Works Department (PWD) has started work to provide oxygen pipelines for COVID-19 beds identified at the makeshift Kalakuchi Government Medical College and Hospital at Sivavangur. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the Valley Institute of Technology (VIT) has cancelled its engineering entrance examination this year. Admission will be based on Class 12 pre-university marks in physics, chemistry and mathematics biology. Karnataka Chief Minister Yediyurappa goes into quarantine as some of his staff had tested positive. India has emerged as the second highest investor in the United Kingdom with 122 new projects and creating 5,429 jobs in 2019-20, as per the Department for International Trade. India plans to sign agreement with South Korea on defense technology cooperation. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh had a telephone conversation with Korean National Defense Minister Jong Kyung-do yesterday. 22 people killed in Nepal landslides. Meteorological department has forecast that the monsoon rain will last for another 3 days. Deforestation in the Amazon increased by 25% in the first half of 2020 in Brazil. Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro is intensifying the destruction of rainforest in Brazil for the economic benefit of the country at a level not seen in the next 30 years. Indigenous Brazilian tribes are fighting against this. China said on Friday it will impose tit-for-tat measures after the US shaped sanctions on Chinese officials for their involvement in a crackdown on Muslim minorities, raising tension between the superpowers. Roughly 5 years after an internal email went out to employees telling them to delete the popular video app TikTok from the phones, Amazon appeared to backtrack, calling the ban a mistake. Corona updates. Global COVID-19 count reaches 1,21,02,328 death toll at 5,51,046. New cases 2,28,102 reached today. Today, number of confirmed positive cases in India reached 8,19,374 death. Toll stands at 22,107 as of July 10. Tamil Nadu added another 3,680 new COVID-19 cases on Friday, taking its tally to 1,30,261, while another 4,163 persons were discharged following treatment. The state's toll climbed to 1,829 with 64 more deaths. Weather report. Some places in Tamil Nadu have received heavy rainfall in the last 24 hours. Northern parts of Tamil Nadu and some interior districts of the state are likely to receive heavy rainfall in next 24 hours. With this, me, Hemlata, shining off with the notes of keep watching Vircham TV. Stay tuned and stay happy. Thank you.